Sir, how do you look at this verdict, sir?
It's been a very long nightmare for my family. I'm relieved that it's finally over. And I'm very grateful to have received justice, because justice is not always a given thing in this country anymore. Thank you so much.
Sir, do you think that...
I'm reading the statement on behalf of my father, Tarun Tejpal. Seldom does a long-fought-for vindication arrive hand-in-hand with profound heartbreak. Last week, my trial lawyer, Rajiv Gomes, died of COVID. Dynamic and brilliant, at 47, he was on the brink of his scintillating career as a criminal lawyer at the national level. No person fought harder and with greater skill to reclaim my life and reputation. Rajiv used to say to me, I enjoy money, but I don't work for it. I believe God put me on earth to fight for the innocent. As a family, we owe Rajiv Gomes a profound and permanent debt, and we grieve alongside his wife Cheryl and his young son Sean. No client can ever hope for a better lawyer than Rajiv. The ever-struggling wheel of justice has lost a solid spoke. In November 2013, I was falsely accused of sexual assault by a colleague. Today, the Honorable Trial Court of Additional Sessions Judge Shama Joshi in Goa has honorably acquitted me. In an awfully vitiated age where ordinary courage has become rare, I thank her for standing by the truth. The past 7.5 years have been traumatic for my family, as we have dealt with the catastrophic fallout of these false allegations on every aspect of our personal, professional and public lives. We have felt the boot of the state, but through it all, we have cooperated fully with the Goa police and the legal system through hundreds of court proceedings. We have unwaveringly followed every mandate of due procedure and abided by every principle of law as laid down in the Constitution. We have also endeavored to uphold every norm of decency expected in a case like this. It is with profound respect that I thank this court for its rigorous, impartial and fair trial and for its thorough examination of the CCTV footage and other empirical material on record. In these 8 years, a host of outstanding lawyers came to our aid, and we owe them all a deep debt. Prime among them, Pramod Dubey, Amir Khan, Ankur Chawla, Amit Desai, Kapil Sibal, Salman Khurshid, Aman Lekhi, Sandeep Kapoor, Ryan Karanjawala and Shrikant Shivrit. I also thank scores of family members and friends who kept the faith and stood by us through these dark years. I wish to make no further statement at this time and request my family's privacy be respected as we try and reclaim our broken lives. I will make a comprehensive statement at an appropriate time in the future. Tarun Tejpal.
You are good. So government fixed you up. So do you think the government fixed you
I need
up?
some time and privacy. My family needs it. We will speak to the press, but give us some time. It's been a very tough road for all of us.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here.
For today for passing such a fair and just judgment, and I would like to congratulate Mr. Tarun Tejpal on his personal victory. I would like to say that my father has put in a tremendous amount of hard work and dedication into this case. The final written argument was consisting of 600 plus pages, which shows the amount of workload that we put in into the case. Also, I would like to say that I'm personally honored to have seen one of India's best lawyers at work, because he's worked really hard. And I would also like to say that it would be wonderful if he was here personally to claim this victory. However, one way or another, history has already been made, and that's all. Any further questions you can ask me. What? He's coming down. He's coming. You can ask him. He's coming. He's there on top.
Now today's judgment is a great victory for everybody, especially your advocate Rajiv Gomes, his advocate, and Tarun Tejpal also. And it is basically exclusively because of the hard work and the effort and my advocate, senior advocate Rajiv Gomes. And that's it. And today is also by CIS. So we'll get it by tomorrow. Not maybe today or tomorrow, but they will approve. But as of now, we haven't got a copy in hand. But that's the thing. And unfortunately my senior advocate Rajiv Vamsi is not here because that's what I want. So he's the man behind this victory.
Still don't know. We are waiting for the copy of the judgment, but the state will be preferring an appeal. But the state will be aggrieved, and therefore the state will be preferring an appeal against the judgment. That's all that I can say at this point. Yes, for sure. That's for sure. Yeah. All right?
So it will be challenged to High Court.
Yes, sir. Very much.
Will it be time bound?
Certainly will have to be, because we still have to get a copy. We have applied. That's what we were doing right now. We were applying for a copy of the judgment. So no sooner we get that, we will be going to the reasons assigned by the judge, and of course we will be preferring the appeal. There is a certain period within which it has to be filed, and we will be filing within that time frame. That's for sure.
Sir, do you see it as a setback?
Yes, serious setback. Serious, yeah. That's why we feel seriously aggrieved, and therefore we'll be preferring an appeal against it.
Okay.
That's for sure.
Total how many years? कितने वर्ष वाले this case ongoing?
How many years this took? Well, no, it was filed in the year 2014, but the incident took place in November 2013.
7.5 years.
Of course, as you know, there were various reasons as to why it has taken so long. There was initially, of course, the accused went on, he wanted a discharge from the case, so he went up to the Supreme Court and got a stay order. And therefore, that's how the trial was stopped for a while. It was staged stopped for a good 2 years. And then it was resumed sometime in 2019, which I think is August 2019. And since August 2019, it has been going on. And since September 2020, it has been going on a day-to-day basis. Right?
So the next government is challenging this case?
That's right.
Okay.
That's right. No sooner we get a copy. That's right. Thank you. That's it. I don't know when it's going to be uploaded, but copy I think we should be getting sometime early next week. Early next week. Yeah. We don't know. We don't know. Right?